This is Kumar, you are watching Kumar's Academy. Today I am going to teach you and discuss about the MCQ of NETS 2004 December. So viewers, without wasting a time, let's discuss this. In Langland's Piers the Plowman, Piers appears finally as Charity, the Holy Trinity, Jesus, the Good Samaritan. The answer is Jesus. It is decided that each Canterbury pilgrim would tell in all how many stories? The stories of 1, 2 stories, 4 stories. The answer is 4. D. Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem by William Shakespeare, Marlowe, Drayton, Sidney, and the answer is A. Shakespeare. Question number 4. The total number of poems in Shakespeare's sonnet is 123, 142, 104 and 154. The right answer is 154. The following plays has a Machiavellian hero. Tamburlaine Part 1, Dr. Faustus, Jew of Malta, Edward II. The answer is C. The Jew of Malta. Which of the following is written by Samuel Butler? Religiolacy, David Simple, Hudibras, and Journal of the Plague Year. The answer is C. Hudibras. Which of the following poems did Milton write in octosyllabic couplet? Il Penseroso, On His Blindness, On the Late Massacre in Piedmont, Lyric Lycidas. The answer is A. Il Penseroso. Which of the following plays is not written by Congreve? The Way of the World was written by him, The Old Bachelor, and Love for Love. But he has not written, that is, The Relapse. Dryden's All for Love is an adaptation of Philoster, Romeo and Juliet, Antony and Cleopatra, Edward II. The answer is C. Antony and Cleopatra. Which of the following books proposes a political theory? Principia, Leviathan, Anatomy of Melancholy, Liberty of Prophesying. The Leviathan is a right answer. It was written by Thomas Hobbes. Which of the following books is written by a woman? A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, Social Contract, The Treatise of Human Nature, The Wealth of Nation. The right answer is A. A Vindication of Rights of Woman, written by Wollstonecraft. Which of the following books by Jonathan Swift is a religious allegory? The Battle of the Books, The Modest Proposal, The Gulliver's Travel, A Tale of a Tub. The answer itself is The Tale of a Tub. Which of the following is a visionary work by William Blake? The Song of Loss, Songs of Experience, Poetical Sketches, The Vision of the Daughter of Albion. The answer is D. The 14th question is, Pope's An Essay on Man is based on the idea of Lord Petre, Theobald, Lord Bolingbroke, Lord Harvey. The right answer is C. Lord Bolingbroke. Which of the following works by Johnson is an imitation of a 10th satire of Juvenal? London, Vanity of Human Wishes, The Life of Savage, and Rasselas. The right answer is B. Vanity of Human Wishes. The question number 16. The final version of Wordsworth's The Prelude appeared in 1798, 1806, 1850, 1860. The right answer is C. 1850. To supper whose which hope thinks infinite is written by Shelley, Wordsworth, Keats, Byron. The right answer is Shelley. As we know all that this quotation, a thing of beauty is joy forever occurs in Ode on a Grecian Urn, Ode to Ottoman, Ode to Psyche, and Endymion. Which of the following novels is a satire on the Gothic novel? Pride and Prejudice, Yamma, Sense and Sensibility, Northanger Abbey. The Northanger Abbey is considered as a satire on Gothic novel. Literature of knowledge and the literature of power. Coleridge, De Quincey, Hazlitt, Lamb. The answer is B. De Quincey. Who among the following Victorian poets is the most sensitive to the conflict between the old and the new? Tennyson, Rossetti, Browning, Swinburne. The answer is Tennyson. Under the Greenwood Tree is written by Mrs. Gaskell, George Eliot, Thomas Hardy, Emily Bronte. Answer is Thomas Hardy. The office of circumlocution occurs in Little Dorrit, Bleak House, Great Expectations, and Harder Times. Answer is Charles Dickens' The Little Dorrit. Novel Mary Barton is written by Mrs. Gaskell, George Eliot, Emily Bronte, and fourth one Dickens.